What is up guys, Dan at the site. In this video I'm going to show you how to restore your dead lost files in Steam. So first you need to head over to your Steam's application and then you need to hover to library and then click on home. After clicking on home, here you will see all the games that you have installed, and then here you will see the cloud option. So just simply click on that cloud option, and if you see all those files there in the cloud, you can just simply restore and download them from there. But if you can't see them, you just simply need to right click on the game title, click on properties, and after clicking on properties, here you will see the option of installed files. Simply click on that, or here you will see the updates section. So from this update section, you need to click on pause background. From here, you need to click on always allow background downloads, and after that, here you will see the option to restore. Simply restore that, and after that, all your game files will be restored. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.